Welcome back to the final chapter of our Amazon Rainforest Documentary. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through one of the most fascinating ecosystems on Earth. The Amazon is more than a rainforest. It is a living world where every river, every tree, and every creature plays a vital role in the balance of nature. As we continue our exploration, we discover hidden wildlife, powerful predators, colorful birds, giant trees, and countless species that have adapted to survive in this extraordinary environment. Every sunrise brings a new beginning, and every sunset reminds us that nature never stops changing. Life here is a constant story of survival, cooperation, and evolution. The Amazon still holds many mysteries that scientists have yet to uncover. Deep beneath its dense canopy, new discoveries are waiting to be made. Protecting this rainforest means protecting one of the greatest natural treasures on our planet. Every living creature, no matter how small, is an important part of this remarkable ecosystem. This may be the end of our Amazon documentary, but it is only the beginning of many new adventures. Thank you for watching and following this documentary series from beginning to end. If you enjoyed this journey, please support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss our future wildlife documentaries. If you know someone who loves nature and wildlife, share this documentary with them. Together, we can build a community of people who appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Thank you for being part of our journey. We look forward to seeing you in our next wildlife documentary. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop admiring the wonders of nature.